Welcome back, guys. Johnny here, and I got another exciting video for you today. In today's video, we're going to talk about New York City REIT Inc., or ticker symbol NYC. Now, you know that I love REITs. If you're new to this channel, you won't know that I love REIT investing. I believe you can get a lot of monthly and quarterly income from these companies because a real estate investment trust has to pay out 90% of its profits to the shareholder, which is people like you and me. So right off the bat, let's talk about NYC, where they're at right now, what's going to happen, and let's talk about where I could see this company going from right now. So alright guys, so if you guys aren't too sure about New York City REIT Inc., this company has gone, it's been up to about $14 several times, okay? I got up to $14.80 just the other day, June 11th, and then it went down a little and then hit it about $14.30. Let's see, the high was $14.25 on July 16th. Now, it is pulling back a little bit, but at the same time, it has been paying dividends. Let me see if I could pull that up over here. Let's see, right here. They had an ex-dividend date on on 10/8 for 5 cents. And it doesn't look like they've had another one since then. Now, when they get back on track, they will be doing dividends again. Let's see if I could pull that up. Is it financials? Right here, corporate actions, dividends. Okay, so there'll be a 10-cent dividend. Declaration date was on July 1st. Ex-dividend date is July 9th. Or August 26th. So that has been the most recent dividend of 10 cents. Some news. Not really too much news going on. Okay, but the main point of this video is to show you where we're going to go from here, okay? Because this is only showing for the year, but the year was up $30. Now, I have invested in this company before in the past. I bought it for $7 and then sold it for, I think, $12. Sold them out, and then now I have 15 shares at $9.85. It has recently dropped that low, which is why I really wanted to buy some more. Okay, so if I bought at the $8 mark, or if we would have bought at the $8 mark, it went up to $14.80, you would have had a 66% profit on your investment. Okay, now what if we, now let's see, and then it kind of flatlined for a while, a couple months, it looks like a good month or so, it flatlined, and then it went down 30%. It's gone down 30%. So why not buy more of this company, right? They have a great track record. So let's see. If we were to buy in right now, which would be over there, my bad. We were to buy in today, and we were to get it over to where my projections are, of say like even the $14 mark, you'd have a 50% profit on your investment. So that's not bad, right? That's not bad at all. Plus you get a dividend when they start paying them again. Not saying it's going to bounce right here. It might take a couple of months, a couple of weeks. Just like here, it went up and then it flatlined for a good month. Now it's decreased. It might flatline for another month or so. Let's just say it does. Maybe it flatlines until November. Say August, right? Now you have this opportunity to make some money because you're buying here. It's extremely oversold on the MACD indicator. It's extremely oversold on the RSI. So I believe this would be a good company to get involved in as soon as possible, right? The only thing that I don't like is that you can't see the max history on here. It's annoying. Let's go to Yahoo real quick. New York City stock. Boom, boom. Let's go over here real quick, guys. Doing a little bit of that research for you so you don't have to. Appreciate you watching this video. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate it. Let's see if we can get a max chart life on here. And if you guys want me to do a video on a stock, just let me know what stock and I'd be more than happy to do that. I love doing research on companies that I've never heard of. I also like doing research on companies that have been around a long time. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm guessing. So I guess this company really hasn't been around that long. It IPO'd or came onto the market around August 18th, 2020. It is a fairly new company, but I mean their market cap's 121 million. They have a negative EPS right now, which I'm not really happy about. I don't really like to invest in companies with a negative EPS, but I believe it's going to turn around on this next quarter. Ex-dividend date July 9th. 1 year target estimate saying 13, so that's right around the $14 that I was estimating. So conservative, let's say even 10. Max, let's say 14. Second quarter results. You know, and then especially with everything going on with the pandemic and stuff, you know, it could be a little scary, but a lot of these companies have a lot of money to where they could support themselves through it. Let's see, as far as the buy rating on here, saying they got 2 ratings. They're saying hold. Current's 931, a low of 13 and a high of 13, which gives them an average of 13. Okay. Let's check one more thing over here, guys, for you. Let's check the financial sector. Where is it? Right here. Another 2 analysts are saying it's a hold as well, with a low of 1150, a high of 13 as a price target. Super low on the resistant line, which is great. And there's room to grow, room to move up. Institutional holdings, doesn't look like they have any information, or there isn't any. Same with some of these other ones. There's an ETF that owns this company, iShare Microcap. And last but not least, insiders, May 21st, 2021. Looks like they had some people. Let's see, 10% owner. Amount of securities, beneficiary owed 11,000. Okay. It looks like there's definitely some insider trading going on as well. All in May and March, which is great. Went over dividends already. This is interesting. On August 18th, 2020, they did a split for 25 for 243. Is that nuts? That's nuts, right? That is a crazy, insane split. From 25 shares for 243 shares. Wow. Crazy. Well, that's the end of that, guys. This is the New York City REIT Inc. Ticker symbol NYC. This could be a great company to invest in, especially now that it's at a low price of $9.31. You could see about a 50% appreciation over the next couple of months, but not until you see kind of like a flat line. And if it goes down more, average down, because I believe this company is going to be a great company to invest in. especially to get, you know, that 50% appreciation. If it goes down, you'll get more. But also, they pay a dividend. They pay 10 cents every quarter, and with room to make more. And you guys know I love my real estate investment REITs. Right now, I have 15 shares at $9.85 on this specific company. So yeah, check it out, do your research, and if you want me to do a video, let me know, drop it in the comments, and I'll do it for you. All right, you guys have a great day.